Hey everyone, if your Chase app keeps crashing after the latest update on your iPhone, don't stress. This is a common issue. Here are simple fixes that actually works. First, force close and reopen the app. Swipe up from the bottom, then open the app switcher, find the Chase app, then swipe it up to close. Now reopen it. This clears temporary glitches from the update. Second, restart your iPhone. Sometimes the new app update conflict with the iOS memory. Hold volume up plus side button, slide to power off, then turn it back on. Reopen the app now. Obtain stop the crashing. Third, update iOS. A new Chase update may require the latest iPhone software. Go to the settings, then general, then software update. Install any update available. Many crashes stops instantly after this. Fourth, delete and reinstall the Chase app. If the update is installed incorrectly, the app will crash on launch. Long press the app, then delete app, then reinstall it from the App Store. Don't worry, your banking info stays safe. Fifth, turn off VPN or ad blockers. If you use a VPN, ad blocker or security app, Chase may not load properly after update. Turn them off, then open the Chase app again. This fixes a lot of crashes. Sixth, free up storage space. Low storage can cause apps to shut down immediately. Go to the settings, then general, then iPhone storage. Delete unused files or app, then relaunch Chase. Seventh, check if Chase servers are down. If the app starts crashing right after an update, it may be a server side issue. Search Chase server status. If it's down, the only fix is to wait. And that's it. Those are the fixes that really works when the Chase app crashes after an update. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.